Well, hello everyone and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. Today I'm doing some light cleaning in the entry. I'll be doing a quick DIY, a small haul, and then some entry table styling. And guys, don't forget when you're cleaning your light fixtures, don't forget to wipe off the light bulbs. Alright guys, so I want to do a simple makeover on the table. And so I'm considering placing some contact paper on the top that I got from Walmart. And as far as the legs, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do at this point. And then once I'm done with the table, I'll come back and decorate. And so I know many of you may not have this round table situation, and so I'll go into the other room where the other table that used to be here is and do a tablescape with a console style arrangement. And you want to be sure that your tabletop is clean and dry before you start adhering your contact paper. Okay, so this paper has an adhesive back, and so all I'm going to do is lay it out across the table, and I'm just going to cut it with a little bit of overlap on this side as well as this side here and on this side. And then once I cut it, I'll come back and try and match up the pattern and do the same thing on that side. So I'm going to start off by peeling back the edge. So like I said before, I'm going to come over and overlap a little bit here. I want to make sure I overlap here, and then that I have the overlap on the ends as well as the sides. Okay, so we matched the seams up as best as we could. And so now what my husband is doing is making a crease around the edge so that we can cut the excess off with a razor, or I don't know, scissors or a razor. Okay, so we have it flat on the countertop and he's just cutting around the rim of the table. Alright guys, so this is how the table turned out. I think it looks really nice. Okay guys, so before we move on, let me just share this really quick Goodwill haul because I'm really excited about it and I'm excited to share the prices. Okay, so I'm going to go pretty quick because this really isn't supposed to be a haul, but I thought I would share these items before I style them. And so I picked up this fabric from Goodwill and it was an excellent price. So the fabric was $5.99 and I got it 50% off because it was a blue tag day, and the vase was a blue tag day as well. It was $7.99 and 50% off. And they were right next to each other, and so it was on the blue side, which is very pretty. I think that's the original side, but I just flipped it over just to see what the other side looked like, and it's pretty as well. And then I picked up this dough bowl. It was $3.99. And then this vase, which is a Target vase, and it was $5.99. I might have said in the video it was $4.99, but it was $5.99, which is still a great price. Okay, so I think this turned out really pretty. I think the fabric, it must have came from the same person. They were on the same shelf when I found them, which is not common. But yeah, I don't know if any of you guys are thinking what I'm thinking, but this just doesn't happen by chance. It's the way these things came about and at the price and such good items. It's a God thing. It's definitely a God thing. And when things like this happen, I just feel like this is God confirming this is what I have you doing for this time and at this moment. Because if I'm going to be honest, there are many days when I feel like quitting. But things like this happen and I feel like God is giving me the go ahead. And then you guys will leave a comment and give me the encouragement to keep going. So yeah, I just thank God for all that he's done. I thank God for the channel and for you guys helping to encourage me to keep doing what I'm doing. And if I didn't mention, the vase is by Uttermost. And if you're not familiar with Uttermost, it is a high-end furniture and home decor line. Now, as far as the fabric, I probably will have some pillows made. For this look, I wanted to keep it kind of simple, a little bit modern, that kind of a modern luxe look. And so I just had this one vase with the small opening so that I could put my branches in and it wouldn't kind of flop around. That's the one good thing about a vase with a small opening. It doesn't require a lot of flowers. So I really like the way that looks with the one branch. And then I just added another little votive or candle holder. And this is really pretty. It has a nice little gold inside with the bronze outside and the neutral cream color. And I thought that was really pretty. And then I have this little star on top of my book and the candle. And so everything here on the table actually came from Home Goods, except this candle came from Hobby Lobby maybe last year. The book I actually got from the Barnes & Noble bookstore. And I think that's just really pretty. It has a nice, simple, modern, kind of a rustic luxe look. I feel something is off with the book and the candle, so I'm just going to add one more item to the book. Okay, so I thought I would add this magnifying glass. And I just wanted this table to look like pieces that I collected over time and just some of my favorite pieces that I wanted to have out. And so here's another one. And I just have a little crystal. And so what I'm trying to show you guys is that when you're decorating, you don't have to have all of your favorite items out at once. Just place a few things out that you love and switch them out from time to time. Okay, and then here's another look. And you guys remember these ornamental balls I got from Bella Bees. And then this little candle stand came from Hobby Lobby, and the glass hurricane came from Goodwill. Okay, and here's another one. And this one, I just love a white candle and a hurricane for a summer evening. And I think this is just beautiful. And then this vase, you guys might recognize it as being a Target vase. Well, I just picked it up from Goodwill for $4.99. And so here I added the links and the 2 candles. And I just wanted to add a little bit more on this table. I wanted to give it that Pottery Barn look, especially for those who like that more is more look with their decor. Okay, and then here is the last one for this area. Okay guys, so this is the last idea, and we are here in my study. Now this is the console table that used to be in the entry hall, and then I brought it in here when I got the round table. And like I said, I wanted to share a different style console table or entry table in case you didn't have a round table and you just wanted to see something with a different shape. And so here I just have a small lamp because the console table is rather small, and I did a vase that's rather thin, but it has a little height. And then I just added some extra texture with the beads and the greenery. And then if you guys remember this little pedestal bowl I picked up from Goodwill a while ago. And so I thought it was the perfect touch to add a candle to. And then because we are in the study and I wanted to really feel casual and just relaxed, I added books, which you do see books in a study or library. And so instead of placing them on the desk, I thought it would be kind of fun to lean them up against the wall. This way you can really see the cover and just take advantage of the art that is on the cover. And I shared both these books in a haul. This one is called Shades of Gray, and I got this one from TJ Maxx. And then the other one, the Monochrome Home, I think I got that from the bookstore, from Barnes & Noble bookstore, as well as the other one. And so yes, I thought these books, having that darker, moodier cover, was a great touch to the white cabinet. All right, everyone, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you at the next one.